How are you doing, nerds? Just a quick warning, the following few videos do have technical difficulties. I'm collabing with FletchMakes, an amazing developer, indie friend, and we figured out that both of our systems have issues. So yeah, fair warning, and other than that, hope you enjoyed the video. Drop a like, drop a comment, go follow Fletch, and yeah, back to the video. Somehow doesn't know you?
Sure. My name is Fletch. I am a variety streamer here on Twitch, and I do game development sometimes, and have some similar interests to Achi in terms of Pico 8 and Lua-based retro fantasy, those sorts of vibes. So
Even more volume to Fletch? Wow.
more volume. Testing, one,
More!
two, three. I mean, I could just start screaming.
My audio is usually like pulled down to like by -20 or such dBs.
Fair.
Now, hopefully now it is okay.
Testing, one, two, three. Do you want to introduce yourself to my chat?
Sure. Oh, you have to show me how that works because I did it in Firebolt and it
Yeah.
doesn't do the
Oh,
the
weird. Okay.
fancy things. One day. So hi everyone who doesn't know me. I'm Uchi. I guess I'm also like a variety content maker slash indie game dev,
Hell
working
yeah.
with also Lua. Weird, you know? It's almost like we have things in common, and that is why we are co-streaming. I make small games, I play those small games, I do game jams, and play and stream and things like that. I don't know. Words.
Yeah, I feel like you do a really good variety of showcasing like hidden gems on itch and just in the indie world in general on your channel.
Oh, thank you. I try to. It's
Yeah. I feel like I like to call myself an indie game enthusiast, but then I'm playing like the AA indies on stream a lot of the time, so
small indie games like Elden Ring, you know.
yes, exactly.
I mean, I'm playing Albion, so who am I to speak? And like,
Oh, that's fair. Albion looks like a lot of fun. Yeah, but there is a game jam called Usagi, which is also a what's it called?
hi
A
Soren.
framework? Is it a framework or a game engine?
I would call it a framework, honestly, but I can see
Okay.
the point behind being an engine, I guess. So not
But
sure.
yeah, it's Lua and you make games. If you visited either one of our channels, that'll be pretty familiar to you.
Business as usual.
I love you manually typing out the so good.
Oh no, my bot has my same name. That's why it looks like
Oh, hell yeah. Okay,
that.
perfect. Soren's voice is everywhere on Twitch.
Hopefully, even more places. Need like a sort of
Haley, thanks so
radio.
much for the hydrate. Soren, hello. Thanatos, hi. Cade, hello. Welcome in. Thank you for that hydrate, Haley. Yeah, so earlier this morning, Achi and I came up with a couple different um, ideas in a shared repository. Um, did any of them? I have like two that my brain kind of latched onto that like seemed most interesting to me. But did you have any thoughts on the ideas proposed that seemed like something you want to continue to brainstorm on or explore?
Oh, sorry. I was
Oh, that's okay.
in a big yawn moment. Holy,
All
I
good.
I almost
Um,
dislocated my jaw. It
oh
was
my
so big.
god. Please don't.
Uh,
Um,
I mean the two that you like. Oh, wait, you are on the smaller one, so let me go to that one as well. So the small ideas that I think we brought up at the very beginning. I feel like we kind of crossed out one or at least
Oh
I
yeah,
was
for
like,
sure.
please don't.
Oh yeah.
Please don't do a tactical game with skills and such. Please no. You have 10 days. Honestly, to me, the two that spoke, I don't know, words, English,
Yeah.
spoke out the most was like the sliding puzzle and like the mini golf game.
Okay.
From the initial, I was like, you brought up some very cool ideas
Sure.
with yours. Do you want to go over those? Because you have like such cool pitch decks, I guess.
Sure. Yeah. I can do that. So Achi and I took some time this morning to just dump some thoughts out into our own um, documents, and then I took one from my document and one from Achi's and put them into like a little pitch document. This is something that I like to do just to practice making a game pitch, because if for some reason one day I want to make a commercial game, this is good practice to have. So, Fable, I see you. Thanks so much for being a moderator for 18 months. Thank you, thank you.
It's a really cool
Um,
practice, by the way. I need to
yeah,
start it.
thank you. So this is the theme of the jam is moon. I don't remember if we said that or not.
Oh yeah, we didn't. Oops.
Okay, yeah, all good.
Yeah.
So one of the ideas that I explored a bit further was a Ricochet style game. If you're unfamiliar, these used to be like really popular Flash games back in the days, on like Armor Games and other sites like that. And you just like are the static character. You just aim and you try and bounce a bullet around the level to kill all the enemies. And sometimes in these style of games, you have limited bullets, or there's like special modifiers or things like that. So um, I wanted to build a game in that flavor, and so I wrote some flavor text. The old gods are awakening. Deep, dark, otherworldly voids are starting to appear in the night sky. Cairns with blue sigils have started appearing across the continent. Celine has seen this before. An ancient witch from a bygone era, she has long awaited these very portents. Armed with her moon-shaped chakram, she tasks herself with destroying these eldritch cairns before the gods are summoned. Um, and then, yeah, there would be just like stacks of stones with like glowing blue sigils spread across the level, and very similar to that Steam game I linked. You would aim and shoot, and chakram would bounce all over the place, and you would try and knock down all of the cairns to stop Cthulhu from being summoned. Um,
I have a question.
ta-da! Yeah, go ahead.
What is a cairn? Because I don't know what a cairn is.
Yes, great. A cairn is a stack of stones that is meant to remember the death of someone. So
Oh
a
wow,
lot of
your search
times they're
result
part
is
from.
very much so different from mine.
Oh, okay. Duck, duck, go!
Yeah,
Hooray!
to me it was like some
Um,
kind of hotel in the Bahamas, and I'm like, what the hell?
but they're usually seen in mountain cultures. These peoples frequently leave
Um,
these cairns around to remember lost ones.
Cairns, stones, just so
And
people on
so
my stream can also see. There we go. So yeah, I
yeah,
know these now. They're like, it is
okay,
not a
cool.
hotel on the Bahamas.
Hi, Struggles, great to see you. Hi, Manuk. Yeah, and then chakram, for those who might be unfamiliar, are a type of weapon that you hold in the middle and can also be thrown like a frisbee, and they have a edge along the, or they have like a sharp blade
Saying
all the
my
way
queen.
around. This is a very like Mortal Kombat style weapon, but they do exist in antiquity. These were like used by real people. But yeah, if we could shape one like a crescent moon or something along those lines, and then boom, moon themed.
Yeah, the idea is cool. I like the idea, like a physics-based shoot and pray. This is the
Yeah.
one. Hold on, let me go back to the pitch because I didn't fully. Oh no, this is your okay. This is your idea, right? This is the original coming from you.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is one that came from my document.
Oh, I'm digging this idea so far. Do you want to go over the other one you also? Just so
Sure.
like
Yeah.
people are a bit familiar as well with the
Yeah.
ideas.
Totally. And technically, this is your. It came from your document, and I just kind of fleshed it out a bit. I hope that was not overstepping.
No, 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 no
I
worries, no
just really
worries.
liked it, and I've been meaning to make a game like this for a long time, anyways. Uh, but this would be a game that relies a lot on gravity. So Achi provided this lovely point of context on itch, where you click and drag and you launch space objects around, and you try and get them to a particular goal or whatever. This is very loud. Sorry about that. So you just try and launch them with the correct velocity, and there's gravity wells and things that affect your orbit, and you try and score. Um, so the document I made for this reads: only enough for one last burn. These astronauts are drifting through space, nearly returned to their moon base, but dangerously low on rocket fuel. They can fire one last burn to try and make it home, but at what trajectory and for how long should the burn be? These gravity wells appearing out of nowhere certainly make things much trickier. And then, yeah, this would just be like a multi-level style game. You use your mouse to click and drag, and then your rocket fires at that trajectory, and various gravitational bodies uh, pull against the rocket and affect its flight path, and you try and uh, make it home to the moon so that the astronauts can be safe. And then we can just like really style it up and make it cute.
Yeah, fledgling some cool tools for like space related stuff for this.
Mm-hmm.
Which I
Yeah,
was
some of
like,
these came from the.
very good.
Oh, I was just gonna say some of these came from the Ukraine bundle a couple years ago, or I think this one was recommended to me by Lemon Poppy Seed Games. But uh, yeah, just really really neat tool. You can uh, change things about the planet, and
Such a crazy tool. Oh my god.
yeah, and then you can get the sprite sheet, and we could just pop it into Usagi pretty easy.
Oh yeah, because this does sprite sheet stuff.
Hmm?
Oh, so I brought this up in the initial idea page, where I feel like this would be the hardest part for the game, and then Flash just linked something that just press button go.
Oh yeah,
uh,
yeah.
for the idea itself, if you don't want to talk about it anymore, or like go into like technical
Go
details and
ahead.
such, uh,
Yeah.
I like this idea. I just fear, not fear, because fear is the wrong word, but I feel like this is gonna be a commonly explored explored
Mm,
theme
sure.
by others. I'm not sure if we also want to go into this direction or explore something else.
Yeah, that's a good consideration. I think uh I don't know. It could be a common theme. Um I feel like a lot of folks are gonna lean towards like werewolf or vampire, because especially because we both mentioned that in our side documents.
Let me just
Um
show on my screen
so
to like
funny.
the chat. What number is it? I need to find my code. Oh, this is gaming scene. I'm like, why can I not find stuff? VS
Yeah, we both
Code. Boom.
mentioned.
So we both separately drew up ideas while the workday was on, and I wrote. Where is it? Um, it's a bit up there. It's like moon vampires, maybe. Like what is it? Werewolves slash vampires, And I saw Fletch's pull request, which was like, vampires, werewolves? It's so funny to see, like, almost in the exact same format as well. Which,
Yeah, no, that was really fun.
it's crazy.
Yeah,
Not crazy, sorry. It was fun to see, like, the one shared brain cell immediately went to
right.
vampire
Oh,
werewolf.
totally. Totally. Um, so I wrote these pitches, Achi, but I do not feel like we need to use them necessarily. I'd be happy to explore any of the other things that you drew up. If you had something that you were leaning towards, those were just the two that, like I said earlier, my brain just like latched onto.
Mm-hmm. I will be down for the gravity shooter, not gravity, but like the
Okay.
vector shooter, bounce things around idea.
Okay.
Uh,
Cool.
I know we both mentioned the mini golf game. I'm not sure that might be like a very push things into the gem.
I I still like the idea of mini golf. Um, I would just want to discuss how we flavor it to tie into the moon theme.
Yeah, that is also like a interesting point because I just wrote up, moon is out, vampires having fun, but that might be too little to actually like correlate with the team.
I mean, that works for me. I yeah. uh, I feel like the flavor is the most flexible part. Um, so if your heart is really saying mini golf, I can get totally behind that because that also seems interesting to me.
Hmm. Thing is, I like both. Let's make 2 games.
You
Lol.
Hell yeah. We're working alone again. Or together on both or something. Hi Leah, great to see you.
Hmm.
Bye Struggles. Have a good day at work.
I'm slightly drawn towards the Chakram game
Okay.
just because I myself have like a mini golf project in the back burner.
Sure.
But if you
Yeah,
want to
that
explore
totally
that
makes sense to me.
idea, I'm like not opposing it.
Let's do the chakram. I think
Ooh.
this could be really cool. Um we don't have to go with the like witchy eldritch Cthulhu theme. We could change it to, vampires or whatever. So
I feel
let's
like with the vampires, it might be even more harder.
oh, okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, what sorts of things do you like or want to change about this initial pitch?
Hold on, reading time. I read it one time, not one time, a few times, but
Yeah,
uh,
no, all good.
one more shot. Okay. One thing that came to my mind is this is seems like a very mouse-heavy game,
Mm-hmm.
but I would love it to be at least be playable with controller as well. I know that's like a very
Yeah.
minor like implementation thing.
Does Usagi allow does it handle the controller inputs for you? Like you just
Yes.
plug in a
So if you
controller
just
to your
plug in your
Okay.
PS4 controller, it works with the input left
Hell
right,
yeah.
just straight up.
That's really, really good.
Other than that, no, I like the idea. Of course, we have to like explore some um game mechanics as we go on.
Yeah. I think controller first um could also be like keyboard, and that's probably good for web browser stuff anyways. I feel like uh you could use left and right to determine the angle at which you throw, and then up and down to determine wait, we don't even need velocity. They're just gonna fly in a straight line. So yeah, left and right
Mm,
determine the angle and then press space to shoot or something like that.
I
Yeah.
guess if we are firing with a static speed, then yeah, yeah, yeah. You don't even need like a. These are like a design space for like setting
Yeah.
velocity, maybe? I don't know.
So if we're doing 2D side on, like you're looking at the sides of all the
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
environment and character, whatever. Um, I've seen most frequently in these old Flash games, in this genre, don't have gravity, so that the ricochet is like a true mirror angle. Um, and
It's
like
easier to
ignoring
like.
gravity, yeah, it makes it easier for the player and it's
Mhm.
more fun
Yeah, let's
in
brain
a
load.
way.
Like trying to figure
Yeah.
out
Mhm.
how after like two bounces the gravity, like where it could end up.
Totally.
Hold on, you somewhere didn't you bring up like a uh space mouse with cheese or something?
Yeah. Uh, I had a Sokoban idea, um, where a mouse would push aside objects to try and get cheese because the moon is made out of cheese. um,
Do you think that idea is worth the team at least uh putting over this? So like feed the cheese, feed the cheese to the astronaut mice, I guess.
oh, okay. So we like instead of shooting chakram, we're shooting cheese, and then you're trying to
Yeah, it's
like
like
there's
a
mice
bit
spread
more
throughout the
family
level.
friendly, a bit more cute and whimsy.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay.
Maybe just an idea to throw it around. Feel free to throw it back.
Yes. No. I would be happy to change the flavor. Um,
What flavor? Pie flavor.
to
By the way, sorry everyone,
shooting
we ignored chat, but
cheese.
looks like you are having a lovely time over there. Aurelia, welcome, welcome. It's hard brainstorming with two people. Also being
Yeah.
still, I feel like somewhat awkward on the first call. And like streaming
Oh
in two
yeah.
chats at the
Hi.
same time.
Have we not been on a call together?
No, we haven't.
Oh my god. I
Yeah,
just assumed that we had.
yeah, no, we haven't. At least I don't remember. I remember
You're
talking with
probably right.
Lemon, or like maybe doing a TTRPG session at some time, but it is
Sure.
still brewing in the background. But I'm pretty sure we haven't yet.
Well, hi. It's
Hi.
great to finally be in a call together.
That is why I said in the beginning that it is weird to have like a immediate verbal communication. Not
Right,
sure how I
sure.
can like phrase this better.
No, I agree. So used to like hearing your voice on Twitch and then typing a message and then
Yeah,
waiting like
same.
20 seconds. Yeah.
Hmm.
Um,
Oh, slowly
and then
running out
who
of
would
water.
our character, if we're feeding mice, are we a human? Or um are we like an astronaut? Uh are we throwing mice at the cheese? Uh
I would rather throw cheese at the mice, but we can.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
Like,
think throwing the mice might be a little too violent.
I, I mean, there is a space where we can like make good squash and stretch frames for the mice as they bounce around for the cheese, but I don't know.
That's okay. Let's keep the cheese as the object being thrown.
Who we are? That's a good question. I don't know. Oh, chef mice with a big chef hat? I don't know. Throwing some gourmet cheese all over people.
Chef Mouse
I'm
throwing
just
gourmet
throwing
cheese.
ideas out.
Yeah, that's great. That's what we're here for. Thank you for the hydrate, Manuk. I took a sip. Appreciate you. Um, yeah, I feel like if we did wheels of cheese, we could have, like, in addition to the moon setting in the background or whatever, we could shape the wheels like phases of the moon, and then we could just select a random uh sprite
Oh, I see
to
what
be
you mean.
thrown.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
Agree. Chef most throwing gourmet cheese. Oh,
Cool.
mm.
Uh
Question.
Go ahead.
Who is gonna do the art? I assume me, but do you
Oh,
want to draw?
I would like to do some art. I feel like one of us could work on like uh I don't know. I For art, I'll make a new thing for this.
Well,
I
I
see a
don't want to
couple
read
different
out. We
like
can go over it
categories
later.
like environment art, there's character art, there's like tiles. I'm assuming that we'll do this on like a rough grid-based thing. So it's easier to like place objects, and then the the cheese would fly without respect to the grid, like it could bounce wherever. But uh in terms of like placing objects into the level, I'm imagining a grid with
Yeah, like LTDK,
tiles.
for example, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So there's like different art. Do you want to do art?
I mean, some I would love to. I
Okay,
enjoy
cool.
arting.
We'll both make sure we get to do art.
I don't know how GitHub, not GitLab, Codeberg, using Codeberg is gonna like us editing the same spreadsheet. I have no clue how that works.
Oh,
But like at worst case scenario, we can
yeah.
send the spreadsheet differently.
That's a great point. I didn't think about that. Um, I forgot that Usagi, for now,
Uses one
only loads
spreadsheet.
one
Yeah,
sprite sheet. Yeah.
it is coming, but I'm not sure if
Okay.
it is gonna be done by the jam time.
Right. Right. Hi, Perrin.
There was a
Great to see
release, by the way, but I'm not sure what was released. 1.2
you. Yeah, I want to say it had stuff to do with the web export. I could be wrong.
export stuff, SFX controls, pause menu, binary mouse over, transparency, some config stuff, internal scaling stuff. It doesn't seem like that is out yet.
Okay, cool. Um,
Yeah, spooky haunting forwarding is probably not for the.
right. I'll just take this out for now. Uh,
Do
don't
you
delete
have?
this.
I mean, I just okay, whatever. Later, as this is a later question.
No, go ahead. Say what you wanted to say.
Uh, the visual identity part. I just
Yeah.
like. Do you have any ideas how we want this to look? Like examples on this chunky style that you mentioned?
Yeah. I think if we're leaning into uh this, I really like uh 2 or 3 pixel outline for stuff like this. And then like larger sprites, like maybe 16 by 16 or 32 by 32 or 24 by 24 if we want to go in the middle. I don't know. But nothing is coming to mind in terms of, I know that a couple of creators. This is not me. This is Jamikins. I'm trying to talk and type at the same time, and it's
I don't know,
going
just
very
feel free to type. Oh, can you crisis?
Yeah, so we did really large, chunky. This was for low res jam. So with
The
Usagi,
stream
we
is not.
work with a lot more pixels. But I feel like unless you want to change the resolution to something smaller, if we're working with 320 by 180, like
Slow, well,
large.
lower I wouldn't go for sure. I think that is
Okay. Yeah. So I think if we do something that takes up, yeah, like 32 by 32 might be a nice size for like the mice and the tile size sort of thing. And then when I say like chunky borders, do I have a sprite as a shortcut? I don't.
I might have a. Oh, I cannot spell his name out. Oh, I wanted to show you like an example of what I think.
Yeah, please.
What was the name of it? Not Windward. What was it? Was it Windward? Louis made this for Pico 8. Basic shmup showcase. Doesn't show up the event. Basic shmup showcase page. Not Windward, something else. Submissions. Warwind. Ahahaha. Let me send you Warwind.
Oh yeah.
Discord, I guess. Can show it to you. Like something like this is what you.
Yeah. Yes. Exactly. They
Wait, are you?
look
Oh, okay,
cartoony.
Is your stream up,
Chunky.
Fletch?
Oh, did it crash? Oh, it did crash.
Oh, that's why I errored out. I was like, this was just Twitch being funny, and now I loaded it back and it is gone.
Weird. What happened?
What
My
happened?
PC isn't struggling. Everything's totally fine.
Is the room just so small that the cooling cannot handle it?
No, it feels fine in here.
Mm.
Uh,
Like I assume you dust it
HTTPS,
and everything. I don't know.
TV.
It's like
Go watch on a cheese stream.
go watch your stream. So this is what I meant by Warwind, I guess. I can. No, I want to, not want to, but my HG stream is lagging too. Might be frames. I don't know. Or is it just a me problem? Oh no, it is showing a very low FPS. I'm not sure why.
Maybe Twitch is down.
Oh no, is my PC down?